Are you scrolling right now wondering, when is the love of my life finally coming for me? Pause. Smile, like you're sharing a secret with the part of you that still believes in magic. Because if that quiet little voice inside ever whispers, "Where's my person?" this video is for you. We've all felt it. You're just living life, scrolling, chilling, and suddenly it hits. Is everyone else paired up except me? You see the date nights, the couple's selfies, the engagement posts, and your heart? It sinks just a little. That quiet question sneaks in. When's it my turn? If you felt that ache, even for a moment, hear this. You're not alone. And more importantly, you're not behind. Waiting for love can feel like standing in the rain. Cold, lonely, frustrating. But here's what you need to hear today. Your story isn't behind. Your love isn't late. It's being prepared just for you. If that lands, even a little, tap like and stay with me. Because here's the truth. The best relationships don't show up just because the clock ticks. They bloom when two people have grown, healed, learned who they are and what they truly need. They don't arrive when you beg for them. They arrive when you become ready. So instead of asking, when is the love of my life coming? Try asking, am I ready for my love? Let that sink in. Are you showing up fully for yourself? Are you loving yourself, not just in theory, but in action? Setting boundaries, choosing peace, letting go of what drains you, chasing what lights you up. Because the energy you pour into yourself, it's magnetic. Let me tell you about my friend. For years, Maya was stuck, not because she didn't want love, but because deep down, she was waiting for someone to rescue her from loneliness, from doubt, from fear. She told herself, when the right person shows up, I'll feel whole, I'll feel alive. But she kept choosing partners who mirrored her pain. Unavailable, uncertain, sometimes even unkind. It wasn't love she was chasing, it was familiarity in disguise. She stayed in a cycle, gripping old patterns, afraid to let go of a version of herself that no longer fit, afraid to believe she was worthy of something real. And then something shifted. It wasn't overnight, but one day, after another disappointing almost, she broke. Not because she lost someone, but because she realized she had lost herself. In that raw, quiet moment, she made a choice to stop waiting, to stop shrinking, to stop begging life for love, and to start showing up for her. She began doing small things that sparked joy. She said no to what drained her, yes to what lit her up. She walked with purpose, healed old wounds, chose softness over self-judgment. She laughed again, deeply, freely. And then, without chasing, without searching, someone came. Not a savior, not a missing piece, just someone who saw her. Not the mask, not the fear, her. And they didn't complete her. They simply met her, whole, ready, aligned. If Maya's story moves something in you, drop a word in the comments. Let's grow together, out loud. Share this with someone who needs a gentle nudge. You never know whose healing might begin with this reminder. Because love, it's like a garden. You can't rush the blooms. They need tending, time, the right season. So water your garden. Be your own sunshine. Nourish your soul with grace and growth. And when you do, love won't chase you. It will recognize you. Your love isn't missing. It's just on its way. Perfectly timed, perfectly meant. So stop waiting passively. Grow, heal, explore, thrive. And the love that meets you there, it'll feel like it was always meant to be. If you're ready for that kind of love, real, grounded, soul-level love, go to the comments and say, I'm ready. Tag someone who needs this reminder. And if this grounded you today, subscribe for more real talk on love, growth, and choosing yourself first. Love is like a garden. You can't rush the blooms. They need patience. They need care. They need the right season. So, water your garden. Be your own sunshine. Nourish your soul with kindness, rest, and growth. Because when you do, love doesn't need to be chased. It will find you, not in a rush, not in desperation, but in peace, in alignment. Your love isn't behind. They're not lost. They're arriving on your timeline. Perfectly timed, perfectly meant. So stop waiting passively. Stop shrinking to fit spaces that no longer hold your future. Grow, heal, explore, thrive. Because the love that meets you in that space, it won't complete you. It'll honor you. It'll feel like it was always meant to be. If you're ready for that kind of love, real, soul deep, grown, go to the comments and say, "I'm ready." Tag someone who needs this message. You never know who's silently waiting for a reminder like this. And if this grounded you today, subscribe for more real talk on love, healing, and coming home to yourself. Your love story is unfolding. Trust the timing.